Hello children. Today Miss is going to tell you a small story. Listen carefully. There was a small lake near the forest. In that lake, many lotus were blooming. The pink lotus added beauty to the lake. On one of the lotus leaves, a small ladybird was sitting and enjoying the music. Children, who was sitting on the leaf? Yes, a ladybird. In the evening, the ladybird set off towards the forest. While moving, the ladybird saw a ladder near a small tree. The ladybird climbed on the ladder and there it met a lizard. The ladybird and the lizard greeted each other by saying hello. Suddenly, they heard a roaring sound. Children, you know who was that? It was the lion, the king of the jungle. The lion was trapped in a cage. The ladybird and the lizard decided to help the lion. They looked here and there for help. At that time, they saw a leopard coming. Whom did they see, children? Yes, a leopard. They asked the leopard to help the lion. Leopard said to the lion, "Lion, don't worry, we all are outside, we'll help you." The leopard saw a log near the cage. What did they see? They saw a log near the cage. They took the log and broke the lock of the cage and set the lion free. What did they do? They took the log and broke the lock of the cage. The lion was very happy and thanked the ladybird, lizard and the leopard for helping him. Did you like the story, children? Let me ask you some questions. Which flower added beauty to the lake? Yes, lotus. Good. Where was the ladybird sitting? On the lotus leaf. Now, what did the ladybird see near the tree? A ladder. Whom did he see when he climbed on the ladder? Yes, a lizard. Who was trapped in the cage, children? The lion. Who helped the ladybird and the lizard to save the lion? A leopard. How did they break the lock of the cage? With a log. Children, let us revise these words again. Lotus, leaf, ladybird, ladder, lizard, lion, leopard, log, lock. Repeat again. Lotus, leaf, ladybird, ladder, lizard, lion, leopard, log, lock. Children, did you notice any similarities in these words? Yes, they all begin with the same sound L. Children, they all begin with the same sound L. A letter is making the sound L. Do you know which letter is that? It is letter L. The name of this letter is letter L. And the sound is L. Say, children, letter L and the sound of this letter is L. When you begin you have to say the sound and then read the words. Children, can we read these words with the sounds? L, lotus. L, leaf. L, ladybird. L, ladder. L, lizard. L, lion. L, leopard. L, log. L, lock. Read it again. L, lotus. L, leaf. L, ladybird. L, ladder. L, lizard. L, lion. L, leopard. L, log. L, lock. Understood, children? You have to read with the sounds. Now, Miss will teach you a phonic song for letter L. You have to take a lollipop in your hand. Take a lollipop. You have to show the action as if you are licking the lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Children, did you like the song? Hold the lollipops in your hand. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Children, hope you understood the song. Practice the song and say the sound L. So children, we learnt letter L and its phonic sound L. Practice the phonic song also. See you in the next class. Bye.